to London.
Oh, did you see the Big Ben and London Eye?
I did, yeah. They were really nice.
Oh, how lovely.
Are you going on holiday this year?
Oh yes, I'm going to Paris. I'm going to be seeing the Eiffel Tower, Champs-Élysées.
Oh, my friend fell off the Eiffel Tower.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Hope she gets better.
Thanks.
But I have to get going.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.